Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Lumify DualWhite Small and Large Christmas cones. Let's get going. So we have the small here and we have the large box. Now in both the small and the large come an extra box with the solar panel, a USB charging cable, and some other little bits to keep it in place. Doesn't that look beautiful? And the large one is so big, I literally cannot fit it in the shop. Now, as you can see, these lights come completely assembled, so it's really easy to put them anywhere in your garden, especially because there's no connection to mains cables. It is as simple as plugging in the solar panel to the light and turning it on. And you do this by twisting off the top, where you can see the battery, the mode button, the on button, and the USB port. Now on the other side is where you pop in the cable, and then all you have to do is switch on the light, and you just get this completely elegant, beautiful glow. Now I've made it a bit darker in here, but as you can see, these lights are absolutely stunning and super bright. Now we'll start with the small cone. It packs an incredible 200 dual white LEDs. And what does dual white mean? It means that the LEDs can go from this, warm white, to cool white, to a mix of them both. Now within these three colour temperatures, there's 4 different lighting modes, meaning that you can really set these lights to however you want. So with these Christmas lights, you can either leave the solar panel in the sun to charge all day, or you can use the USB cable to get a full charge. These lights run up to 8 days off of one USB charge alone. It has an 8-hour auto switch off timer, and the solar panel is made of an incredibly high-grade, frost-resistant polycrystalline. And remember, these are made specifically for UK winters, so you will not be disappointed in how well they work. Now for the bigger light. Now the larger light packs an incredible 480 dual white LEDs. This also means that it changes from warm white to cool white to a mix of them both. So the large Christmas cone runs up to 8 days off of one single USB charge alone, and 12 days with a bit of help from the sun. There's 2 meters of cable between the solar panel and the first bulb, which means that you really can put it anywhere and disguise that solar panel in a sunny place. There is also 4 lighting modes for each of the different colours, and as you can see, it does give you mains brightness for a completely solar product if you want it to be. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions regarding this product, please just pop it in the comments down below. Give us a like if you want, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks very much.